How to lock screen on iPhone. Hello everyone, I am Vishaka and welcome to our channel. Now let's get right into the tutorial. The most common way to lock your screen on iPhone is with the side button. So simply press the side button once on the right side of your iPhone and the screen will turn off and lock immediately. The next way is you can try to auto lock. So open settings on your iPhone and then tap on the display and brightness option there. Here you will see the option for auto lock. Tap on that and then choose a time that is 30 seconds, 1 minute, 2 minutes, or 3 minutes, or 5 minutes. Make sure not to select the never option. And by this, when your iPhone is inactive, it will auto lock by the set time. And if you don't want to lock your screen with buttons, then you can use AssistiveTouch. So in settings again, tap on accessibility and then tap on touch. Here you will see the option for AssistiveTouch. Tap on that and with this, AssistiveTouch will be enabled. So tap on the AssistiveTouch option and you will see the option for device. Tap on that and then tap on the lock screen option you see there and screen will lock instantly. The next way is the hand-free method, so you can simply ask Siri to lock your screen if you have enabled Siri by simply saying, "Hey Siri, lock my screen." So these were a few ways on how you can lock your screen on iPhone. If you find this tutorial helpful, please like the video and do comment if you have any queries. Also, do subscribe to our channel for more helpful tutorials like this. See you on the next one.